A boat beneath a sunny sky, lingering onward dreamily in an evening of July. Children 3 that nestled near, eager eye and willing ear, pleased a simple tale to hear. Long has paled that sunny sky, echoes fade and memories die. Autumn frost have slain July, still she haunts me, phantom-wise, Alice moving under skies never seen by waking eyes. Children yet, a tale to hear, eager eye and willing ear, lovingly shall nestle near. In a wonderland they lie, dreaming as the days go by, dreaming as the summers die, ever drifting down the stream, lingering in the golden gleam. Life, what is it but a dream?